Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma officially launched the Meghalaya Rooftop Solar Portal of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited (MEECL) in Shillong on Thursday. The initiative aims to improve energy access and reduce the state's carbon footprint. Those who attended the program included the chairman cum managing director of MEECL Arun Kumar Kembhavi and other senior officials of the corporation. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said that the state has a long way to go in generating energy from alternative sources and would benefit from using renewable energy.
In the first phase, there will be 70 megawatts, and out of this 70 megawatts, 3 kilowatt will be given per household, those people who apply. And based on that, 23,000 households will benefit. Once the first phase is completed, there will be a second phase where we expect to get another 130 megawatts. The most important aspect is, of course, usage of renewable energy. So when we have, and as you know, in the COP agreement, there's a lot of stress on ensuring that we should reduce our CO2 emissions. So definitely this will go a long way in helping in that, number one. Number two, this is going to be put up at different households. So the people who are going to apply for this, who are going to apply online, and that's the portal that we have launched today, the most important point for them is that there is zero investment from the consumer side. They don't have to buy any of this. This will be 40% subsidized by Government of India, MNRE, and 50% by the person who's going to install or the company that's going to install this, and 10% by the MEPDCL. So therefore, the consumer has to pay nothing in the installation part. Number three, the price at which the power will be consumed by the consumers, and this will all be through the smart metering, so there'll be no question of any kind of data going wrong. The power that they consume through this solar panel will be 2 rupees lesser than what they pay to MEPDCL as of now, which means right now they're paying 6 rupees per unit. When they consume the power through this installed solar capacity, they will be only paying 4 rupees. But more importantly, because of the smart metering being there, there is also the concept of net metering, which means that whenever they are not using the power, suppose they're not at home, the power will be put back into the grid. And for that, the consumer will get 1 rupee per unit back as monetary incentive. So all these factors are there that will be involved in this. And as I said, for the consumer, the best part is that there's no investment in the beginning. Well, it's very simple. They have to simply apply for it. And that is why we have today launched this unified solar rooftop web portal. And some information has to be filled in. And obviously the first 23,000 people who apply for this will get the benefit of this particular scheme. So it's not very complicated. You don't have to go anywhere. You just have to go to the portal and apply for it.